Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this mini purse over here, so stay tuned and let's get straight to the tutorial. So I have my 1cm foam sheet, I have the lining, I have my zipper and the Ankara fabric that I'm going to be using. So it's very simple. I have the breadth of it to be 5.5 inches, then the length of it to be 8.75 of an inch. So what we are going to do right now is that I'm going to go ahead and on the wrong side of the Ankara fabric, I'm going to place that of the 1cm sheet foam on it. Then I will place the lining on top of it, as you can see, like this. Then I flip it over, then pin it down. So after that, I went ahead and drew a line on it to stitch them together. So you can draw just in like an S or something like that, then you stitch it to put everything together. So this is how it looks after I've stitched it. So I've stitched everything together, so now they are stuck in one place. So I'm just going to make sure they are all in line. I'm just going to trim off any excess of the lining or the Ankara fabric. So now I'm going to attach my zip to it. I'm going to fold it like this. Like I said, it's a mini purse, so I'm going to fold it like this. It doesn't mean you cannot use any measurement that you prefer. If you want to make a bigger one, you just have to add more of the inches to it, more of the measurement to it. So to attach the zipper, I'm going to fold it like this and then add my zipper, pin it down before I take it to the sewing machine. So I'm going to pin it like this. Then I pin the other end of it as well. So after pinning them down, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down. Okay, so guys, this is it after I took it to the sewing machine and stitched it down. So I just went ahead to open up the zip a bit before I stitched the sides of the mini purse to be able to turn it over after stitching. So I'm going to use half of an inch to stitch down both sides of the mini purse. So I stitch here half and the other side also half of an inch. Okay, so this is it after I stitched it down. I'm going to trim off the excess of the zip and the lining as well. So guys, after trimming off the excess of the zip and the lining, I'm just opening up the zip to be able to turn it inside out. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, like this video and share this video to your friends and family. You can leave a comment in the comment section as well. And mind you, you can use this purse as gifts for your friends, your relatives this Christmas. Happy Christmas in advance to you. Alright guys, so this is our price. This is how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.